Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Kindly introduce yourself.
I'm Luisa G. Laroya. I live in Manginogapan, Revesia. I'm 40 years old. I'm single.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
I'm brother, sister, two brother and one sister.
Two brothers and one sister. Okay, did you finish your high school?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and how about college?
Yes, ma'am.
Of what course?
B.Ed, Bachelor of Science Education.
Bachelor of Science in Education. Elementary or high school?
Elementary.
Elementary education. Okay, that is how many years?
4 years.
Graduate?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you have any experience working abroad before?
None.
How about in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
Nevesia.
Nevesia. What's the nationality?
Filipino.
Filipino. So, do they have children?
Yes, ma'am.
How many?
1.
Of what age?
5 years.
5 years old. Okay, a boy or a girl?
Girl.
A girl. Okay, so you know how to take care of the children, like the 5-year-old girl, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how can you take care of the children? How can you do for them? What can you do for them?
Yes, ma'am.
What? Tell me. How can you take care of the children?
You prepare
Prepare breakfast, the food.
prepare and take a bath.
Giving the bath for them. Okay, can you tutor them with their assignments? You help
Yes,
them with their assignments?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you're the one preparing the food.
Yes, ma'am.
So do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
So do you know any simple Chinese food?
Vegetable.
What kind of stir-fry vegetable you mean?
Favorite vegetable. And
What else? How about steam rice? You know how to
still
cook?
rice?
Okay. How about congee? You know congee?
No.
You don't know congee? Okay. How about the noodles?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And can you do marketing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In taking care of the children, so you know also how to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have patience in taking care of the children? How about the elderly? Do you have patience also?
Also, yes, ma'am.
So do you have any experience taking care of an elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and a female or a male?
Female.
Female. Healthy or unhealthy?
Unhealthy.
Unhealthy. What does she have?
Stroke.
She's stroke. Okay, so what can you do what are your duties for the elderly person? What do you do for her? Are you the one giving her bath also?
And
Also what? Preparing the food? Help them eating their meal, eating her meal. Okay, how about if your employer will ask you to bring the elderly to the hospital for checkup? Can you do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong? For what?
For cooking.
No, why do you want to work in Hong Kong? For your family, for yourself,
for your family.
For your family.
Your future.
For your future and for the future of your family.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And are you willing to finish your contract when you work in
Yes,
Hong Kong?
ma'am.
How about for an extension? For example, another year extension. Is it okay for you to extend your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And how about the day off? What if your day off will not be on Sundays or Saturdays? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
No problem?
No problem.
Do you know how to wash the car?
Yes, ma'am.
And how about the pets? Do you love pets?
Dog?
You like dogs? Are you not afraid of dogs?
No.
Okay. So, can you give me a short message for your future employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead.
Yes,
What can you tell your future employer?
teacher.
Yeah.
And dear madam, the employee,
What can you tell them for your future employer? What kind of person are you?
the promise
Are you patient or good working hardworking person or what?
and the promise, your honest madam,
You're an honest person.
Person.
What else?
and to all the best.
You will do all your best.
Yes.
Okay. Can you obey the rules and regulations inside the house?
The practice, the cooking.
Can you promise that you can obey the rules and regulations
Yes, ma'am.
inside the house?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you know any nursery rhyme?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you sing one for me?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Okay, thank you. I think that will be all. Thank you.
Thank you.